Ram Ram. Continuing with the Melakarta series after a very long gap of nearly an year now, we posted the first two chakras of the Melakarta, that is the Indu Chakra and Netra Chakra, last Radhashtami onwards. Now, with the permission of Lord Krishna, we are again continuing with the Agni Chakra of Melakarta series. So, a short recap of the last two series, last two posts of the series. It is the Melakarta, the 72 ragas are classified into 36 plus 36, 36 Pratimadhyama Shuddha Madhyama ragas and 36 Pratimadhyama ragas. And this is a broader classification, and Shuddha Madhyamam contains 6 chakras and Pratimadhyamam contains 6 chakras again. So 12 chakras on the whole with 6 ragas each. So first is Indu Chakra, Netra, Agni, Veda, Bana, Ritu. The chakra is named corresponding to the numbers. So, Indu Chakra is Raga Chakra. Raga means, now Raga consists of Suddha Rishabham and Shuddha Gandharam. Again, coming to the ragas of each chakra, we will classify the ragas into Purvanga and Uttaranga. Purvanga is Sa, Ri, Ga, Ma, and Uttaranga is Pa, Da, Ni, Sa. So, in any chakra, the Purvanga is common and Uttaranga differs raga to raga. So, Raga Chakra consists of, the Purvanga is Shadjamam, Suddha Rishabham, Shuddha Gandharam, Shuddha Madhyamam, and Panchamam is common. Da, Ni, Sa is different. So, we classified it as the Purvanga plus Kanakangi, Purvanga of any raga plus Todi, Purvanga plus Mayam of Gaula, Purvanga plus Karahara Priya, Purvanga plus Shankarabharanam, Purvanga plus Chalanata. This is a setup of any chakra. So, Raga is Shuddha Rishabham and Shuddha Gandharam. So, this chakra is fully of Vivadi. Vivadi notes are those which don't have a place for themselves. Like Re 1, Re 2. Re 2 is the place of Ga 3. Ga 3 is Vivadi Swara. That is Shuddha Gandharam. Now here in our series, we refer every third note we refer, like Re 3, Ga 3, Da 3 and Ni 3 are Vivadi Swaras. Maybe the place differs. Maybe like when we see from the place, like Shuddha Rishabham, Chatushruti Rishabham, Sadharana Gandharam, Antra Gandharam. But Chatushruti Rishabham is the place of Ga 3. So, there might be a doubt that it could be Ga 1. No, but let it be. But we are referring Ga 3 as the Vivadi Swara. So, normal notes are 1 and 2. The smaller Komala Swaras, that is the lower notes are Komala Swaras. That is Re 1, Ga 1, Ma 1, Da 1, Ni 1 are all common. That is Komala Swaras. The Tivra Swaras are noted with Ga 2, Ma 2, Da 2, Ni 2, Re 2. So, if any third number we denote the Swaram is Vivadi. So, let us be clear with that point here. So, this chakra, Raga Chakra, the first chakra, Indu, is fully Vivadi Chakra. The second is Ragi. Ragi is Shadjamam, Shuddha Rishabham, Sadharana Gandharam, Shuddha Madhyamam. and with the Purvanga as Kanakangi, Todi, Mayamalav Gaula, Karahara Priya, Shankarabaranam and Shalanata for each raga. So this is the recap of the last two chakras. Now coming afresh with this series with the third chakra, that is Agni. Agni is denoted by, there are three Agnis. So third chakra is noted as Agni chakra. In this is called Gu, Ragu chakra it is. Raga, Ragi and Ragu. Ragu chakra is Antara Gandhara. Ra is the same, Antara Gandhara is there. So the Purvanga is Shadjam, Shuddha Rishabham, Antara Gandharam, Shuddha Madhyamam and Panchamam. And as usual, the Uttaranga varies for each raga as we told earlier. Now coming to the first raga of the chakra, this is Gayaka Priya. The notes are Sa Re Ga Ma Pa Da Ni Sa Sa Ni Da Pa Ma Ga Re Sa. So the notes are Sa Shadjam, Shuddha Rishabham, Antara Gandharam, Shuddha Madhyamam, Panchamam, Shuddha Daivatam, Shuddha Nishadam. So that is Ni 3. Da 1, Ni 3 and Shadjam. Now this series, continuing with the series, we can take shlokas from Sri Krishna Karnamritam. Last two series it was, last two episodes it was Radha Sudhanidhi, and maybe this and the next episode we may take shlokas from Krishna Karnamritam. So shloka in Gayaka Priya. Dhenupaladayitastanastali Dhanya kumkuma sanata kantaye Venugita gati moola vedase Venugita gati moola vedase tejase Tadidam Om Namo Namaha Tadidam Om Namo Namaha Namo Namaha. The next raga of Agni Chakra is Vakula Bharanam. Vakula Bharanam is Maya Malav Gaula plus Todi. That is Sa Re Ga Ma Pa Da Ni Sa Sa Ni Da Pa Ma Ga Re Sa. A very beautiful raga. Like its rasam, it seems to be a kind of viraham or sorrow. This is a famous composition of Saint Tyagaraja Swami in this, that is Era Muni Nammitino, and a very famous Janya raga of this is Basanta Bhairavi. Nidaya Radha. Basanta Bhairavi is the Janya raga of Vakula Bharanam. So the notes are Sa Re Ga Ma Pa Da Ni Sa Sa Ni Da Pa Ma Ga Re Sa. A shlokam from Krishna Karnamritam. कलद्व्रीडालोला मदनवनिता गोपवनिता कलद्व्रीडालोला मदनवनिता गोपवनिता मधुस्पीतं गीतं किमपि मधुरा चापलदुरागा समुजृम्भा कुम्भा समुजृम्भा गुम्बा मधुरम् अगिरा समजृम्भा गुम्बा मधुरमगिरां मादृशचगिरा मादृशगिरा त्वयि स्थाने जाते दधति च फलं जन्म च फलम् त्वयि स्थाने जाते ददति च फलं जन्म च फलम् The next raga is the all very famous Mayamalav Gaulai, wherein we begin Sarigama Padanisa, the basic lessons for the beginners. So, as we all know, the notes are Mayamalav Gaulai plus Mayamalav Gaulai. Sarigama Padanisa Sa ni da pa ma ga ri sa. Shadjamam, Shuddha Rishabam, Sat Antara Gandharam, Shuddha Madhyamam, Panchamam, Shuddha Daivatam, Kakali Nishadam. Shloka in this raga is Jaya Jaya Deva 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 Jaya 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 Deva 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 Tribhuvana Mangala Divya Namadeya Tribhuvana Mangala Divya Namadeya Jaya Jaya Bala Krishna Deva Jaya 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 Bala Krishna Deva Bala Krishna Deva Shravana Manonayanamritavatara Shravana Manonayanamritavatara. So, the fourth raga in the third chakra, that is 16th Melakarta raga, is Chakravagam. The notes are Sa, Suddha Rishabam, Antara Gandharam, Shuddha Madhyamam, Panchamam, Chatushruti Devatam, Kaishiki Nishadam. So, Sa, Ri1, Ga2, Ma1, Pa, Da2, Ni1. Sa, Ri, Ga, Ma, Pa, Da, Ni, Sa, Sa, Ni, Da, Pa, Ma, Ga, Re, Sa. This is also a very common, famous raga with many number of compositions like Gajanana Yutam, Sarojanabadayarnava Mamava, etc. The shloka for this raga is अत्यन्तबालम् अतसी कुसुमप्रकाशम् अत्यन्तबालम् अदसी कुसुमप्रकाशम् दिग्वाससं कनकभूषणभूषिताङ्गम् विस्रस्तकेशम् अरुण अधरम् आयताक्षं कृष्णं नमामि कृष्णं नमामि मनसा वसुदेवसूनुं कृष्णं नमामि मनसा वसुदेवसूनुं नमामि मनसा. Next raga is Suryakantam. So this is Purvanga is Mayamalav Gaule. So being the fifth raga, the Uttaranga is Shankarabharanam. So Mayamalav Gaule plus Shankarabharanam. So the notes are Sari Gama Padani Sa Sa Ni Da Pa Ma Ga Ri Sa. The shloka will be Parastavangri Nigvanita Kankana Kinkini Parastavangri Nigvanita Kankana Kinkini Kam Madhye Nitambam Avalambita Hema Sutram Mukta Kalapa Mukuli Krita Kakapaksham Vandamaye Vrajacharam Vasudeva Bhagyam Vandamaye Vrajacharam Vasudeva Bhagyam Vasudeva Bhagyam Vandamaye. Coming to the last stroke of the chakra, that is Hatakambari. Purvanga is Mayamalav Gaula, Uttaranga is Chalanata. That is, this is again a Vivadi raga. All these the 6 chakras, 6 plus 6, that is the first and the 7th chakra and the 6th and the 12th chakra are completely Vivadi chakras. The other 4 like 8 chakras will be the first and last raga of each chakra is Vivadi. So the first Vivadi raga of this chakram, that is Agni chakram, was Gayaka Priya, and this is the last raga of the chakram, Agni chakram. This is Hatakambari. This is Vivadi because that is Ni 3 here. Ni 3 takes the place of Da 2. Ni 3 takes the place of Da 2. That is Shuddha Nishada. The Swarasthanas are Shadjam, Shuddha Rishabam, Antragandharam, Shuddha Madhyamam, Panchamam, Shatshruti Daivatam, Kakala Nishadam. So, Shatshruti Daivatam is a Vivadi Swara. Shatshruti Daivatam is Da 3, which takes the place of Ni 1. So, Pada, Ni, Sa, Da 3, Ni 2 and Sa. So, it would be like Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Da, Ni, Sa, Sa, Ni, pa ma ga re sa. The shloka in this raga is Radha punatu jagadachyuta dattachita mantanam akalayati datirikta patre tasyahastanastabaka chanchalalola drishtihi tasyahastanasattvaka chanchalalola drishtihi devopi dohanadiya vrishabham nirundan devopi dohanadiya vrishabham nirundan vrishabham nirundan. So that was Hatakambari. With this, the Agni Chakra is completed. Stay with us for many more interesting shlokas from different granthas and different ragas. Ram Ram.